squishy. And for today's video, we're gonna be using me. Yay! So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Really good video. So yeah. Bye. I'll be back with my friend Rita. Okay. I need to call my daughter's downstairs right now. I got a surprise for them. Okay, now let me stand. Girls, I'm coming, Mommy. I'm here. I'm coming. Oh, ow, that hurt. You okay? Yeah, I'm alright. Alright, so girls can have. Okay, so the surprise is this. A unicorn. Is it real? No. But it's a squishy. And it's a slow riser. Wow, it's so amazing. And it actually smells good. It smells like candy or something. Yeah, it does. Let me get on it. Push me. Whee! Now it's my turn. Okay. Let me push you. Yay! This is so fun. Alright guys, that was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!